We cannot choose you from the sky, from the heaven, from the angels, from the heaven, from the Lord. We gonna love God, we gonna try God, we gonna love you, we gonna keep on loving you, God. Cause you never you're walking down the stairs from heaven. You always think about us, God. Think about us. Walking down the stairs from heaven. You always think about you. You always think about them. You always think about them. But you love him, but I do. But I love God. But I love God. But I love God. Don't you away from anything. You must love God. Because you could, you have to. Because you have to love God. But you always love God. Don't you love all night? Don't you put a smile on your face when you say hello? When I say hello to you, you always speak sometimes. Walking in the door sometimes when I say hello to you, God. So God, will you wait? Tell me, God, tell me what to do. You tell me what to do, my God. I will sit down and pray, my God. I will sit down and pray for you. I will put a smile on my face. And you say, hello, how you doing? God, how you doing? You doing wonderful. So I can walk of you and feel you from heaven, from the sky, and from the heaven light. We gonna see you again, my God. We gonna see you, my God. We gonna see you, my God. We gonna see you, we gonna see you.